Hello everyone, welcome back to a Life of a Woman channel. How are you all doing? If you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Soumya and I make videos about my life journey, the lessons I learned, the philosophies I encounter in popular culture. And today we are going to discuss about epigenetics. Have you ever wondered, your grandfather had heart disease, your father has it, so will I have it too? Or even worse, will my children have it? The same is with other diseases having genetic factor to it, such as cancer and schizophrenia. Who is the culprit here? We all know it is the genetics, the coding in our genes, which is causing these kind of troubles. It makes us feel so powerless in front of these gigantic diseases, isn't it? But hey, wait, your grandfather had diabetes, your uncle had it, but your father never had it. So there is something which is deciding which diseases are inherited by a person and not. And that something is called epigenetics. And what if I tell you that we can influence that something by various lifestyle factors? Now you are feeling a little curious about epigenetics, isn't it? Let me explain. I found this example in a magazine and it was quoting from a book. The example goes like this. Consider a human lifespan as a long movie. This movie has a written script. That script is the genetics. And all the cells in our body are the actors and actresses of this movie. And we have the director who can still selectively emphasize certain part of the script and downplay some other parts of the script to make the movie. So in our case, the director is the epigenetics. In the movie we call it as direction, and in genetics we call it as gene expression. Gene expression is nothing but which genetical factors are switched on or off in your human body. The good news is epigenetic changes happens throughout the lifespan of a human being. Childhood till the age of 6 to 7 is the time the epigenetic activities are at the peak. So providing a safe and happy environment to the children might help them beat some of the genetically inherited diseases. Children also are more sensitive to the things happening around them. So providing a holistic environment is very important. Sadly, if the parent is depressed, the child might be more susceptible to depression as an adult. In fact, study shows that trauma can be transmitted from mother to an unborn child. A study in Sweden and Netherlands, whose recent ancestors were exposed to famine, were more susceptible to cardiovascular disorders and diabetes. So, is that it all? 6 to 7 years and done? Thankfully, no. Epigenetic changes happens throughout the adulthood and even in old age. So, as an adult, there are so many factors which can influence your epigenetic changes, which includes the stress, the water intake, your breathing and sleep, and so many other factors. I cannot explain all of those factors in this because that would be a separate video for each of these subtopics. Another interesting study shows that air pollution can increase the risk of neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. However, vitamin B can combat the bad effects of air pollution. See how intelligently our bodies are designed? Still, don't forget the vitamin B's. In short, with our lifestyle and the way we raise our children, we can take our control back and reduce the risk of genetically inherited diseases. That is such a good and relieving news, isn't it? Before signing off, I just wanted to let you know that I am no expert in this field. I have done tons and tons of research on epigenetics for making this video, and if I'd oversimplified it to say like a nano version of what epigenetics is all about and created this content. If you are curious, I will link some of the articles I have referred and some books in the description. Please feel free to explore. Until next time, thank you so much for being with me.